What is that?
Marble maze.
Oh, is that what you want?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that then. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, what game is that?
Marble maze. Marble run.
Okay, Marble Run. Okay, and how does that work? What do you do?
So there are 4 pieces of these, 3 pieces of these, and there's only one round thing. And then there's
Wow.
2 pieces of these and 2 pieces
So
of
basically, there's a lot of pieces, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of pieces, and when you put all those pieces together, what do you get?
We get this.
Wow.
So otherwise we can, if we don't want to make this, we can make our own.
Okay, you can make whatever. Like, there's many different ways that you can make it. Should we open this?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's open this, guys.
So these are all the pieces. There's marbles, there's tubes, and there's these cone thingies. And this is to put the marbles. So when you put it like this, you go like this, and then it comes out. Okay. Now
Okay,
let's
should we start building it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So first I need this. And then I need this. And then I need a red piece. And this.
Simran, do you need any help honey, with that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want Papa to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have a race now. Let's see whose marbles go fast. So when I say 1, 2, 3, then you're going to release your marbles, okay? Okay. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go.
One. Come on.
let's do it again.
Armaan!
And this time, Armaan gets one color and Simran gets the other color. How about you get blue and white, and Armaan gets red and yellow.
Okay, Armaan gets red and yellow.
Let's do 4 each. So you guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna release. So 1, 2, 3.
Come on, Red. Come on, blue and white. Blue and white. Come on. No! Yay! Yeah, yeah. Do it! Yay! I won! No!
Okay, so Armaan wins because his marbles came first.
Okay, now let's switch sides.
Okay, so let's switch sides. Armaan, you on this side, Simran on the other side. You guys ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so round 2, let's race again. So I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, then you go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, come on,
Okay,
come on.
who's going first?
Blue, 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 blue. Yay, red, red. Yay. I won! I won!
Okay, so it's a tie, I think. Because
No, because I got mine first.
Okay, let's do one more time.
3, 2, 1, go.
I like the sound that it makes.
Okay.
Good job.
Now let's do so which color do you want to be? So
I want to be blue.
1, go. And go. Go, 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 go.
No. Good job, guys. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.